Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in today's video I'll be showing you where your radiator fan relay and fuse is located in a Honda DC5 Type R, Acura RSX, Type S, Type R base models basically. So if your radiator fan is not working, you're going to want to go ahead, pop your hood or pop your bonnet. We're going to pop this open. This is your fuse box, just want to pop that open there. And you're going to see in here, I've got a light, you're going to see you have a 40 amp, so we have a relay here, right there, so just this one there, it's next to your 40 amp, that's your relay, and then we have a number 12, that's a 40 amp as well. That's your fuse, 40 amp fuse for your radiator fan, and then your relay just up above it. So just over here, we're going to go ahead in your fuse box. You're going to see a bunch of different things. So your fuse here is going to be this 40 amp here. So this is the 40 amp fuse for your fan, and then over here that's your relay for your fan as well. So you're going to want to check this, and you're going to want to replace this one if it's clearly showing signs that it's blown. Okay, so replace this 40 and replace this relay if needed. Okay, and that is basically where you find them. And just for reference, once more time, that's your fan relay there, and your 40 amp fuse there. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Alright, peace out.